Hello, Babab. How is the badminton champion player of Rizal? Keep it up, big boy. And good luck on your coming regional meet this coming Tuesday. We love you, Apo. And God bless you. Good luck. Okay? Love you.
Hi Wes! Good luck tomorrow sa regional meet game mo. Alam namin na well prepared ka na and just enjoy the game. Do it passionately. Alam namin na kayang-kaya mo. Just bring the gold, okay? Good luck with your partner. Love.
Bring home the bacon, Wes. Go, go, go.
Good luck! Good luck tomorrow!
Wesley.
Hi, Wes. Tito Jem.
And this is Tita Butchie.
We wish you all the best. And remember, you got this, okay?
And always believe in yourself.
And remember, your hard work will pay off because we know that you prepared for it. And also remember, Mark 5:3:16. Do not be afraid. Just believe. Okay?
Amen.
God bless you.
God bless you.
And we love you.
We're praying for your victory.
Good
We
luck.
love you from California. God bless.
Hi, Kuya Babab! Good luck to your game. This is a one step up. I know you can make it. Just play hard and enjoy the game. Congratulations in advance. Yay! Go, go, go!
Hi, Wes! Hi, Wesley. Good luck sa, tournament.
Good luck sa tournament. You are always a winner to us. We love you.
Alam kong kaya mo yan. At magaling ka, kaparehas ko. We love you, Wesley. Good
love
luck.
you.
Fight, fight, fight.
Aja.
Bye. Good luck.
Yes, pray namin na manalo ka. Good luck.
Galingan mo, Kuya Wes. Good luck. And Beba Ira, good luck.
Babag, good luck. Pag-igihin yung dalawa ni Bernard.
Hi Wesley! Good luck sa game. Alam kong kaya-kaya niyo yan ni Bernard. Basta iwas sa error and sure ball lang. Good luck!
Hi, Kuya Babab. I just wanted to say good luck on your game and go get that win. You can do it. Bye-bye.
Good luck, Babab, sa laro mo ngayon. Anong oras ba simula? Nasa concentration ka lang. Pakiramdam mo, galaw ng kalaban mo para yung depensa. Preparado ka.
Good luck, Babab. Sana manalo kayo. Pabutihin mo. Ingat na lang.
Hi, Wes! Good luck sa game mo. Ayan, naniniwala si Ninang na mapapanalo mo ulit yung game na yan. Magsi-celebrate tayo soon ng My Chicken Wings. Love you. Good luck.
Hi, Wes. Good luck sa darating na round 2025 badminton tournament. And gawin mo lang yung best mo and enjoy mo lang ang games.
Go, go, go!
Wes. Good luck on your game. I miss you. What layadan? Kuya Wes, good luck sa tournament mo.
Kuya Wes, good luck sa game mo. Galingan mo ha para makapag-chicken wings na tayo. See you!
Good luck sa tournament mo, Kuya Wes. See you. Sana magka-gold ka.
Yay! Geng geng!
Hi, Kuya Wesley. Good luck sa laro mo. Kaya mo yan. Kuya Wes, good luck sa laro mo. Kaya mo yan.